Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. As always, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. So today what we're going to do is we're going to sort and merge an array. So let's create a quick subroutine called array sort merge. Okay, so that's self-explanatory. So we're going to create the first array, which is going to be array 1, I'm going to call it, and I'm going to populate it with some names, just random names, just the usual suspects: Dave, Joe and Pete. Okay. Right, so we're going to create Joe, Pete. I'm going to put Andy there. Andy, whoops, because we're going to actually sort some of this. What's that? The wrong one, Andy. Okay. We'll just swap those around. Let's that there because we're going to sort it. So let's have a look. Dave. Okay. There we go. So that's the first one, and the second one is going to be my array 2. We're going to create this using QW quoted words, and we're going to put 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Space those out a little bit first. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And right, so we're going to go on to the next one here. Ooh, what have I done wrong there? Oh, okay, I haven't put the equals, have I? Okay, that's better. That should be okay. What's going on there? What's going on? Something funny is going on with mine. Oh yeah, okay. That's what I didn't do there. Okay, everything's back to normal again. Panic over. Okay, I'm going to create another array called merged arrays. Okay, merged arrays, which is going to be equal to array 1 and getting the wrong thing here at array 2. Okay, so we're going to merge both of those arrays together. Then we're going to print a message to the user so they know what's going on. Arrays merged. New line character there. Okay, I'm going to print another message again to tell the user what's happening. So now let's sort the arrays. New line character. And I'm going to add sleep for 1 second to make it look like the program is actually working. So sleep will pause it for 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to create another array called final array. And that's going to be sort merged array, what we've just merged arrays. Okay, and then we're going to print it out. So that's going to print final array. Final array. Let's have a look. final array, that's right. Okay. And so what it's going to do, it's going to pop the final array, it's going to sort it and print it out. So let's just call the program array sort merge. Okay, save it and run it. Okay, so there we go. So it says we printed out to the user arrays merged. Okay, now let's sort the arrays. So the final array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Andy, Dave, Joe, Steve. If you look at array number 1, it starts off Joe, Dave, Pete, Andy. So it's arranged it in alphabetical order here. And if you look at array number 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's arranged it in order here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course it's merged those two arrays together. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I'm glad you like that. And before you go, if you've not done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and yeah, smash the like button as well. And I will see you in another video. Bye-de-bye.